Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase passive income with Airbnb. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by identifying your target market and the type of guests you want to attract to your Airbnb. Research popular destinations that are in high demand for short-term rentals. Evaluate your own property or the property you plan to invest in. Ensure the location is appealing to travelers, with nearby attractions or necessities. Create a unique selling proposition that distinguishes your listing from others. Consider features that enhance guest experience, such as modern amenities or unique decor. Take high-quality photographs of your space to showcase it effectively online. Write a compelling and detailed description of your property, highlighting its key features. Set competitive pricing by analyzing similar listings in your area. Use dynamic pricing tools that can adjust your rates based on demand and season. Optimize your listings title and tags with keywords that potential guests might search for. Provide a clear cancellation policy to make potential guests feel comfortable booking. Invest in good customer service, responding promptly to inquiries and issues. Encourage positive reviews by creating a great experience for your guests. Consider offering added services, such as cleaning or airport transfers, for an extra fee. Utilize social media and local tourism websites to promote your listing further. Regularly update your listing to keep it fresh and appealing to repeat guests. Monitor your revenue and occupancy rates to identify trends and opportunities for improvement. Experiment with marketing strategies like discounts for longer stays or special occasions. Stay informed about local regulations regarding short-term rentals to ensure compliance. Continuously seek feedback from guests to make improvements to their experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.